is coming. In this exercise, what you are going to study equations reducible to linear equations. Equations reducible to linear equations. How can we reduce the given equations into linear equations? I will tell you. Listen carefully. Exercise 63. In this exercise, first question you see. First question is 9 upon x minus 4 upon y equals 8. 9 upon x minus 4 upon y equals 8. It is first equation. Second equation 13 upon x plus 7 upon y. 13 upon x plus 7 upon y equals 101. These are the two equations. Now you can see in these two equations, variables x and y are in denominator. Variables x and y are in denominator. What will you do to solve such type of equations? In such type of equations, we can reduce these equations into linear equations. I will suppose 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. So you can do that. Or you can take 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. It is your choice what you are taking. Okay. So I am taking left 1 upon x equals u and 1 upon y equals v. Then 1 and equations 1 and 2 becomes equations 1 and 2 becomes. Listen, can you tell me what will be equation 1 and 2? Arif Ahmed. Arif Ahmed. Arif, you are there or not? Arif Ahmed. Okay, I will not put the attendance of Arif. Customer father can tell me that what will become equations 1 and 2. If you replace in place of 1 upon x, if you replace u and 1 upon y is replaced by v. Samar Sabir. Okay, Samar Sabir and Samar Sabir telling. I am asking if you replace 1 upon x by u and 1 upon y by v, then what will be the form of equations 1 and 2? Samar Sabir. Okay, he is not speaking, it means that he is not present. He has put his mobile aside and he has gone somewhere. So Varnika Chauhan. Varnika Chauhan. Varnika Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
How many times? How many times I should take your name? Then you were not present.
Sir, no, my network problem.
Network problem. Everyone is saying like this network problem,
Sir,
but
no.
I will not believe like this. You are saying, okay. So now you give the answer to me. I am going to replace 1 upon x by u and 1 upon y by v. So what will be the form of equation 1 and 2? Or equation 1 and 2 become
Sir, I am not aware of it.
Yes. What?
Sir, I am not aware of it.
You are not able to listen.
Sir, I am not. I don't know this.
Listen carefully. 1 upon x you are replacing by u. It is 9 upon x. It is 9 upon x. It can be written as 9 multiplied by 1 upon x. It can be written as 9 multiplied by 1 upon x or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 upon x you are replacing by
Yes.
1 upon x you are replacing by
U.
u. So what u become what? This term will become
9U.
9
9U.
9 minus 4 upon y is there. So minus 4 multiplied by 1 upon y. So what it will become?
4U.
4V. 4V.
4b. Only Vainika is giving answer. Where
Sir,
are
minus
others?
4V.
See, minus 4b.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
That is correct. So you can write it as. So tell me now what will be equation 1, Vainika?
Sir, 9U minus.
What will become? Equation 1.
Sir, 9U minus 4V. 4.
Yes.
Sir, 9U minus 4V.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir,
One more
9U
time you
minus
tell.
4V.
4V.
Yeah, 9 minus 4v.
Equals to 8.
Yes, equals 8. Second equation. Second equation.
Sir,
Sir,
second
13U plus 7V.
13
Second equation.
equals to
Sir,
1.
13U plus 7V.
I'm not getting your voice. Okay. So it will become 9 minus 4v equals 8. It is right. Now, one. Now these are the equations which you have studied in exercise ABC.
Yes, sir.
Aryan Singh.
Yes, sir.
Aryan Singh.
Yes, sir.
These are the equations which you have studied in exercise ABC.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now listen. Any method can be applied. You can apply substitution method, you can apply elimination method, you can apply cross multiplication method. Here there is no condition by which method you will solve. Okay. By which method you will solve, there is no condition.
Okay, sir.
Wait
Okay,
a
sir.
minute. So listen carefully. So I am going to apply here elimination method. I am going to apply here elimination method. So by elimination method, 4 by 7, LCM of 4 and 7. What is the LCM of 4 and 7? 28. So you multiply equation 3 by 7 and equation 4 by 4. So multiply 3 by 7 and 4 by 4. So we get after multiplying what we get. You do get 9 minus 4. So it will become 7 minus 128 B equals 7 plus 56. It is multiplication and 13 to the 52 U 52 U minus plus 28 B equals 202. It is multiplication. Now, 1 minus 28 plus 28 they will cancel. 63 plus 15, it will become 115. 115 U equals 415. So U equals 415 upon 115. So U equals 115 goes up. Uniform goes from equation C. From equation C, you can use terminal equation C. So 9 minus 4B equals 8. It will become minus 4B equals 8 minus 36. It will become minus 4B equals minus 58. So B equals 7. B equals 7. Now you can take the
Sir, you are not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Voice is also not coming.
what?
So your voice
Voice
is
is
not.
also cutting it.
Sir, your voice is not coming in your picture also.
Yes, your
What
voice
you
is
are
not.
saying, one should speak.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
Sir,
Anyone not also whispered.
your
Voice is
also
not.
not
Then,
clear.
huh?
Voice is not clear.
Sir, your video is also not clear.
Your voice is all not clear. Board is not clear.
No, sir.
Sound is not clear.
Board, are you able to see board?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So
No,
what we
sir.
can do? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, clear.
Okay. Now U equals 4 1 upon x equals to x will become 1 upon 4. X will become 1 upon 4. And E equals 7. Which implies that 1 upon y equals 7. Which implies that y equals 1 upon 7. So these are the two values of x and y. These are the two values of x and y. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it not clear? Who
Yes,
said
clear.
this? Okay.
Sir, clear, clear.
Okay, okay. Now
Sir,
question
please
number
repeat again.
what?
Sir,
Who
please
said
repeat
repeat
again.
again? Varnika said.
Sir, no, Sakina is said.
Sakina, okay. Listen carefully. Two equations were given. 1 upon x, you have to take as b. 1 upon y, you have to take as b. So your equations will become 9u minus 4b equals 8. 32 plus 7b equals 101. Now, after converting into linear equations, you can apply any method. Three methods you have studied. Which three methods you have studied, Sakina?
Yes, sir.
Which three methods you have studied till now? Till now, because you are asking your problem, it means that you should know what I have taught.
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी ना इसलिए.
What method you have studied? First tell me. In ABC exercise, 6A, 6B, 6C exercise. What method you have studied? Tell me fast, Sakina. Karthik,
एलिमिनेशन मेथड.
Karthik, mute your mic.
सर एलिमिनेशन में.
Elimination.
मेथड.
Only elimination method.
एंड सर सब्स्टिट्यूशनल मेथड.
And
सब्स्टिट्यूशनल.
after this,
Cross
three
multiplication.
methods you have studied.
Cross multiplication also.
Yes, cross multiplication. Three methods you have studied. Out of three methods, anyone can be applied. I have applied here elimination method. So in elimination method, I have matched the coefficient of p by taking the LCM of 4 and 7. So LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. So I have multiplied equation 3 by 7, equation 4 by 4. I have got equation 53u minus 28 equals 56. This is fifth equation. And 52u plus 28 equals 404. It is sixth equation. Now I applied elimination method. So minus 28b and plus 28b they will cancel. Now 63u plus 52u will become 115u. 404 plus 56 will become 460. So you are getting 4. This value of you can put in equation 3. In equation 3 you are putting, then you are getting b equals 7. After getting u and v, you can decide. Now u equals 4 means value of u was 1 upon x. Because finally we have to find value of x and y. U and v be replaced in place of x, 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So here again you can put u equals 1 upon x equals 1 upon 2. V equals 7, y equals 1 upon 7. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come to question number 4. Come to question number 4. Wait a minute. I have taken screenshot of attendance. I have taken screenshot of attendance. So those who will come in the screenshot, they will be present. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come to the point. Question number 4. Solve 4x plus 6 upon y equals 15. 4x plus 6 upon y equals 15. It is plus 3x minus 4 upon y equals 7. 3x minus 4 upon y equals 7. It is second. Listen carefully. What should be done in such type of equation? Karthik Agarwal will tell me. Karthik Agarwal, how to solve such type of equation? Karthik Agarwal is there?
Yes.
You tell me how to solve such type of equation.
LCM.
Speak clearly.
Yes.
Speak
4x.
clear. I'm not getting your voice.
I think network problem is there.
I'm not getting your voice. Speak loudly.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, tell.
Hello.
Yes, tell.
Sir, by taking LCM we can find.
By taking no, that is not the matter. Because LCM this time it is not a constant term. LCM is not a constant term. If it is a constant term in the denominator, then LCM can be taken. Getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
If in the denominator constant is there, then LCM can be taken. But here constant is not there in the LCM denominator. In the denominator, y is there. Variable is there. So Rakshita will tell me. So in what way it should be done?
Sir, first we have to take 6 upon y as b. We have to let
First we have to take
6 upon y as b. We have
6
to let
upon y, not 1 upon y. You can take without
1
taking
upon
also.
y.
Listen, without taking also it can be solved. Do you want without taking, without replacing the value of 1 upon y as u? Do you want that
Yes, sir.
method?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
So
yes.
listen
I can.
carefully. Here I will take the LCM of 6 and 4. What will be the LCM of 6 and 4? Sakina. What will be
Yes,
the
sir.
LCM? 6 and 4 LCM.
12.
Yes, 12. So you multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So you write multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. When you multiply 1 by 8x, 8x plus 12 y equals 90. And you multiply equation 2 by 3, 9x minus 12 upon y equals 321. It is 5, it is 4. Cancel. Now 8x plus 9x, what it will become? 17x equals 51. X equals 3. X equals 3. Now put this value of x in equation 1. From 1, 4 into 3 plus 6 upon y equals 3. Which implies that 6 upon y equals 3 minus 12. Which implies that 6 upon y equals 3. Which implies that y equals 6 upon 3. By cross multiplication, y equals 6 upon 3, y equals 2. Y equals 2. You can check the answer. You can check the answer. X equals 3, y equals 2. Now you have to find the value of a. You have to find the value of a. One expression is given, y equals ax minus 2. Now y equals ax minus 2. Put the value of x and y here to find the value of a. So y equals 2, x is 3, va minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 equals va. A equals 4 upon 3. A equals 1 upon 3. A equals 1 upon 3. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
you can understand the question. Question number 6 to 1 part can be taken. Question number 6 to 1 part. Are you in this question?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
Question number 6. First part can be taken. It is given 20 upon x plus y plus 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y equals 7. 3 upon x minus y equals 7. This is first equation. Second equation is 8 upon x minus y. 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y equals 5. 15 upon x plus y equals 5. It is second. Listen carefully. Twenty upon x plus y. Listen carefully. 20 upon x plus y can be written as 20 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. This step you are getting 20 upon x plus y can be written as 20 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
1 upon x plus y I will place as u. In place of 1 upon x plus y I will put u. In the same way 3 upon x minus y can be written as 3 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y. And 1 upon x minus y I will put in place of it b. I will put b. So you can write that 1 upon x plus y equals u and 1 upon x minus y equals b. Then equations 1 and 2 become equation 1 and 2 become 22 plus 3b 22 plus 3b equals 7. It is third equation and 8b minus 15u. 8b is the right letter. First write 15u minus 15u plus 8b equals 5. It is 4. Listen, minus 15 upon x plus 5 means minus 15u. I have written first minus 15u. And 8
Yes, sir.
upon x minus 5 means 8b. I have written means how why I have written this thing. Because under this graph I have to have it done. Under this graph I have to have it done. So now you can see coefficient of u and u in both the equations 20 and 15. LCM will be 60. So I will multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 4. So you can write multiplying multiplying by 3 by 3 and Equation 4 by 4. Then you multiply 68 plus 9b equals 21. It is 30% and minus 16 plus 32b equals 5 plus 20. It is 60%. It will come on adding minus 2 and plus 16 they will cancel. 9 plus 9b plus 32b 41b equals 41. B equals 41 upon 41. B equals 1. From equation 3, 22 plus 3 into 1 equals 7. 20 equals 7 minus 3 4. U equals 4 upon 20. U equals 1 upon 5. Now, U equals 1 upon 5. Now you can now U equals 1 upon 5 implies that 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y equals 1 upon 5, which implies that x plus y equals 5. It is equation number 7. And b equals 1 implies that 1 upon x minus y equals 1, which implies that x minus y equals 1. It is 8. Now adding 7 and 8. Adding 7 and 8. We get y will cancel after adding. You can do it like this. X plus y equals 5. X minus y equals 1. Cancelled y. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. Now from equation 7, from 7, 3 plus y equals 5. Y equals 2. 3 plus y equals 5 and y equals 2. So it was question number 6 and part number 1. Y equals 2, x equals 3. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So now this is the time to sum up the class. I have taken your attendance in the screenshot. So thank you very much. Tomorrow again we will proceed this exercise. So you can leave the
Okay,
class.
sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
sir, can you tell about syllabus?
What?
Syllabus until now you
Sir,
didn't
how
get.
many chapter
I
will come?
told, I told. How many times I will tell you? I have told you. I will tell you myself. Don't take tension. I will tell you syllabus before the exam, before the test, 1 week before the test or 10 days before the test will be told to you. Is it clear?
Sir, what we got the
What?
sir, we got date sheet.
Date sheet 17 August test is there, na? 17 August.
Yes.
What is the date today? 28 is there, na? I will tell you myself. I said, na, I will tell you. I said, I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
So you can leave the class now.
Sir,
Thank you.
Farah Shamsi is present.
What?
Sir.
Farah Shamsi is present.
Attendance I have taken in the screenshot.
Sir, I will join later.
I don't know. I don't know. It is your responsibility. Now leave the class. Pass.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.